Hey, we're back.
Hi. What is this?
This is blueberry cocoa. Now, what is it?
It is a coconut almond raspberry bark.
What's in it?
It's too late.
Coconut and raspberries. Let me guess. Am I right?
You are the winner. Where's my you're right button?
You should have that button.
I should have that button here. What do you think?
This is so good. Speaking about raspberries,
Uh-oh.
did you realize that the small intestine is 23 feet and the large intestine is 5, which equals 28 feet of digestive system, not cutting the stomach. Just a bit of trivia.
I am so glad to know that.
This is really good.
Actually, this is pretty good. Now the secret. One of the secret.
What's the secret, Karen?
When you make a fat bomb, and this has like a chocolate bark on it, unless you're using a lot, even if you're using a lot of cocoa oil or whatever, you need to keep in the fridge, probably the freezer. But the key is to let it rest on the counter for maybe 3 minutes, max 5 minutes before you enjoy it. I just think the flavors are so much better.
Okay.
And it's more nummy. And what you're going for is the numb. Right? A fat bomb, you're getting the fat, but you're getting the numb.
Sounds good.
Okay?
All right.
Here's how to make it.